Hi, so today I'm going to share with you the Art Toolkit Demi Explorer Holiday Palette set that I purchased. There's 3 different sets, and this is the smallest lightweight holiday set. I'm Tammy Inman, and this is A Peach Life, and let's get started. Let's just jump right in here. Wait till you see how cute this little guy is. This is Art Toolkit's smallest little palette, and it's called the Demi. The holiday one comes in gold, which is so special to have. Has the little Art Toolkit on the back, and it comes filled with Van Gogh paints by Royal Talons. It's so beautiful. It also comes with this little swatch card. I'm going to scoot these little goodies out of the way so you can see just what all was in this kit. It comes with this nice little color card, and it shares with you what is in your palette, what colors, and in case they also sell them in individual tubes in case you want to get tubes to refill or just to know exactly what your colors are. I really love the Royal Talons Van Gogh watercolor paints. They're a really good paint at a nice price point. So this also shows you with these colors, these 12 colors mixing, how many more colors you can get out of that. It's just amazing. I love because I've really been working more and more on mixing colors. Before I would just buy my colors that I want, and that is fun, but it is also nice just to see what adding a little dab of this and that can really create in your colors. So this is the small gold. And again, gold is not something that Art Toolkit has in their normal supplies. So it's nice to get a little cute, fun holiday color. I will share, several years ago, I got the green holiday color. It's just adorable. And I have mine filled with, I filled mine with Winsor & Newton paint colors. I don't remember what it had at the moment in it, and I added a little sticker to mine. So, it came with this. It came also with a mini aqua brush, which are super lovely. I have quite a few of these. Let me see. I probably have one already open. Of course. And, oh, that is not the right one. It seems like I have everything in here but the one item I'm looking for. Let's just go ahead and open that up. I will obviously end up using it. It's really nice. This area gets filled with your water. It has a really good tip to a point. Let's see if you could see that. It really has a nice, good little point on there. I love that about it. Okay, it also comes with 10 sheets of cold press watercolor paper, which is really nice. I think it said like 2 1/4, 2 1/8 by like 3 1/2, something like that, sheets. So that's a nice little add-in that you can put in your watercolor travel kit. And then the little color coding, the cute little bag if you want to keep that or other things in, which is really nice. And then the, what is this called? Why am I drawing a blank on it? Well, it's the little elastic band, that's it. A graffiti band, I think is what they call them. You just secure your things together. Let me show you. If you have a small little notebook and you put that on there, and you probably wouldn't want this big a brush, but if you did this and your other little brushes, that nice little elastic keeps it pretty secure and together. It's just a little cute addition to your supplies. You never know what you can use it for. People use these great little ways to add their notebook along with their palette and things so that it doesn't move. I haven't used it in that way, but I know something like that people will add them in somehow. Very cute and creative. I'm sure you can Google some of those little ideas, or on little boards that they carry to attach their items. But it's a really great little travel or personal watercolor kit. I just love the Demis. I love to take them with me and travel because I carry sometimes a couple different ones so I can have different paints depending on the mood and the inspiration that strikes at the time. But you could just paint for hours and hours with just this one. Okay, now this is again the Demi Explorer set. They do have, let's see, the pocket set and the folio set, which is their larger ones. And those come with different options and things. So you'd want to look at the Art Toolkit website. And then, let me see here. Oh, so right now for the holidays, depending when you see this video, all the way until November 30th, they're having a 15% off. And again, I just received that in an email, that discount code. So I think if you sign up for the email, everybody gets that. It is 25 thanks 15. So 25 THANKS 15, and you put that in at checkout to get 15% off like the eligible supplies. So I thought that's pretty nice, and that is through Sunday, November 30th, 2025. So depending when you're seeing this video, but I thought I would share that with you guys because this kit is just so cute and special. These are all the goodies in it, and I love getting the little limited edition or special colors. And the reason why I'll share with you, I really wanted the little mini gold is I have two special edition Art Toolkit palettes in gold. Now, Art Toolkit did not sell them, but they did a little collaboration with Travelers Company. You can see that on the back. And I believe the pocket size, if you go to the Travelers Company USA site, they have the pocket size available right now. They haven't had this larger folio one in a long time, but I love that my pocket one has my favorite Van Gogh Royal Talons watercolors. So that is just perfect. And I love that the little guy here right now for the holiday came with Van Gogh. So I have my favorite colors in this pocket one. And then in the larger folio, I have all of my Van Gogh Royal Talons watercolors that I own in this one, all in the little mini pans. And here is all little mixing and a white, a titanium white. So the thing that I love about this is in all my gold ones, I have my Van Gogh watercolors. So that is extra special, and immediately I knew I wanted to get a little mini, of course, to go with my collection. So you never know like what little inspiration you're gonna have, and or what you're which one you're kind of wanting, or for what trip, or just to create at your desk. And then it came in there also a little thank you card. It says happy painting, Tammy. And then a cute little thing, some info. Just really cute. I like to add mine to my notebooks or my traveler's notebook or art book. It's cute to kind of tuck in the little pockets of things. And then In addition to the holiday kit that I got, I also added on a couple extra items. So I'd like to share those with you. Let me open that so it looks so cute sitting there. I got the new washi tape. It's Art Toolkit, and it's for when you're wanting, I'm sure most of us know, but when you're wanting to do a little border in your art book. I don't do that a lot, but you would tape it out and then you can have a cleaner line. I did not use this on this particular painting. I'm just showing as an example. And so that's always fun. And I like that they have their little logo on it, because a lot of times you just use whatever little washi tape you may have. And then I got another little spray mister, because I like having these to wet my paints ahead of time. And then also I will sometimes use a little of the water in there in my little tiny watercolor, not cup, but a little tray. This, like a little cap top. So I can pour a little water in there. Now that's fine for when I'm just doing like 10, 15, 20 minutes, 30, something quick. And then I'll still have a little bit of water in there. But it's also nice just to carry around as your mister. And then I got 2 more of the elastic bands in 2 of the different sizes. And for these, I think this one is just you add it on here. And then you would add in, and just that little hint of the rubber there just gives a really good grip. And then you can add it in here like this. For me, I don't like all that extra bulk. I would probably just slide mine through like this. But it's nice, so when you put it in your notebook or a little cover or in your bag, however you're carrying it, it's kind of all connected together. And then a smaller version, which is nice. Let's see. You can secure that up. Now I haven't used these before, but people have such great ideas with them. So I thought, I'm gonna go for that. I'm gonna get one. Look how cute that is. I showed you with the little red one, but here is where it's kind of like 4 corners where it holds in there. So it's nice. So a lot of people will just toss this in a pocket in their backpack or their little travel bag, or even a pocket in their purse or a little fanny bag, so that it cuts down on the bulk of putting it in a whole another bag into a bag. It just really depends how you want to travel, but you can even utilize this in a little zip bag to add to your bag. You can use it for all sorts of ways. So I just like that you have lots of little options with it. So it was a must. They go in and out of stock quite often. So while they were in stock, the blue ones, I went for it and got them. I will definitely be looking up some of the options of how people have come up with little creative ways to use them. They're inexpensive, so I definitely thought I would give that a try. Okay, well, there is a look at my new order, and at the moment, all of them are still available and in stock, all 3 of the holiday sets. So definitely check that out. But depending when you're watching this, they could be sold out, or some of the sets could be. So just know that. I have no affiliation with Art Toolkit, and I am simply just sharing about it with you guys. I have other videos where I share many more of my Art Toolkit palettes in the different colors with different paints and different options. I have some of those linked here for you at the end, and you can click on those. You can also go to my channel at Peach Life, and I have lots of other YouTube videos, over a couple hundred of them. So take a look, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for joining me.